Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. I am here with a project by way of a DT using the Collage green kit from Artymaze, and I was very much inspired by Yvonne Preston, who has a new tutorial up, and that is the Flip Flop tag book, and it is made purely out of DL envelopes. So I watched the first one and then decided, having got the base of the project by way of the tutorial, I would leave it. There are 5 videos to watch altogether, but I only wanted the first one on how to put everything together, and then I already knew I wanted to use this collage kit because it is really pretty. So I came away and then proceeded to do my own thing, and the reason it's called a flip flop thing is because it's all linked. There are 5 envelopes with pockets. It's a bit, I don't know if I widen out, you're still not going to get the whole thing in shot, but basically it's double-sided. So you have this side, and in each pocket here there is a handmade tag. The images on the kit are just beautiful, especially if you're partial to green. I just think this kind of thing lends itself beautifully to these kind of papers. It is called a collage kit, but you can see from how I've utilized it here that it can be used for any amount of really lovely projects. I have on not all the sheets, but on some of the sheets, used some ribbon, because when it concertinas up, you get one, I've got to get it right, one going behind and one coming in front, and I wanted to use the lace on the inside just to reinforce the seams in between each of the envelopes. Basically, I've done a little bit of stenciling, but again only on, I think, did I do any no, I haven't. I'm lying to you. Excuse me, I'm so tired. Oh dear. Right, so this is the side with the lace on it, and it's not in every join, as you can see. The envelopes are joined using material, and then I've put the lace in just to reinforce that, because it did move a little bit. I wasn't entirely happy. It's serviceable, but I do like things right, and it didn't quite go to plan. I think were I to make this project again, I would use cardboard spines just to keep it nice and safe. But you can see the images are absolutely beautiful. If we do one side, then I'll take out the tags that I've made from the pockets, and then we'll do the other side. Oh, is that one only? Oh no, that's right. So on this side there is a postcard type tag in the first pocket, and I've kept the other facing the other way for the other side. I hope that makes sense. And then went on to use the new butterfly embellishment kit, and it is butterflies. There are, I think, 5 or so pages. You can see I've nibbled at these very unceremoniously, different sizes, and then there is a page of freestanding butterflies with the kit. So there are 2 kits utilized here. That one then goes into this side. If I push it right in, you see the tag for the other side, and then there's a larger tag here in the center pocket, and this I've stenciled on, done a little bit of the Stickles glitter and just a couple of little collagey bits on the tag to make it look pretty. Totally plain on the back, and then a little bit of ribbon in the top, as you can see. In the next page is a smaller tag, and again it's got the stenciling on it. I had this doily stencil from Studio Light and I am absolutely thrilled with it. It is absolutely beautiful. So that's another one. And then when we fold it, when we then turn it over to the other side with the little bits of lace and so on, you've got the tag or postcard shaped tag here, plain on the back, and then another series of tags for this side of the flip-flop booklet, tag booklet. I mean, Yvonne called it so many things while she was doing the tutorial that I think as long as she gets recognised for her work, she won't mind too much if I don't quite get the title right. But there's more of the stenciling there from the doily stencil, the smaller of the butterflies, a little bit of lace, plain on the back, and they just fit into these pockets beautifully. It could be freestanding, or indeed you could stitch it in and lose one part of the one part of the center aisle, and then these would just continue to flip out in their own way with a little bit of different folding. There is another of the tags with again a little bit of the Stickles glitter glue on it. This area here that I stenciled has kind of risen because I obviously wasn't very clever about my glue application. However, I'm quite liking it because it actually looks as though it's textured and meant to be that way, so I'm not going to complain too bitterly about how it looks. And that is the full doily there. It is absolutely gorgeous, with some more of the butterfly kit and a little bit of numbering there. I've not used any wordage at all on any of the tags. You know, I feel that could be left for someone else to do. And here is the final tag out of the set. So there are 2, 4, 6 tags and 2 postcard embellishments, all from printing the kit out just that once. So it really is a very, very versatile kit, you know, that you could do just about anything with. It doesn't have to be strictly for collage pages. You know, you can really go to town with it and do what you like with it. It is just so lovely. I did the blue kit, there is a yellow kit, and I think there may well be a purple kit, so I will endeavour to get those at some point and just do a little something with each of the collage kits as they are readily available on Andrea's site. Then it all folds up together like this, and you could put a bit of ribbon around it for closure if that was what you wanted to do, or you could just keep it as a little tag holder, take the tags out, make more. It would be entirely up to the individual. But you know, I have to extol the virtues of yet another beautiful kit for under £3 in Andrea's Etsy store. So if you have found this appealing, you've got two things to check out. One is Yvonne Preston's tutorial, which is over 5 videos, but as I've said in the beginning, I didn't want to watch all of it. I just took the basics of putting the envelopes together and the measurements, and then proceeded to do my own thing. I will go back and watch the rest because Yvonne is a very, very clever lady. She makes journals, you know, this kind of thing is her forte, and her tutorials are always worth a look. And she has also just recently done a collaboration with Artymaze, and they have kits supporting each other on a rose themed kit. So that's another thing worth looking into. So thank you very much for joining me today. As always, it's been a pleasure bringing this little project to you. I hope in some way you feel inspired and that you've enjoyed the little walkthrough of the Flip Flop Tack book. Take care everyone, stay well, bye bye for now.